Hi, good afternoon, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to the second episode of Sociology of ninth standard. And I hope all are fine and take care. So, my dear students, now let us just focus on our chapter, that is socialization. The second chapter of sociology is socialization. Okay, what is meant by socialization? Already we studied now what is the definition of socialization. Socialization is nothing but it is to make a person to socialize among the citizens, among the society. Okay, to make a person, maybe he or she or any third gender. Okay, normally we have two genders, male or female, and one more gender is there that we call it as transgenders. They are neither male or female. Okay, so nowadays we want to include them also as our part of society. Third gender is also part of our society, and we want to respect them also as human being. Okay, so our government also giving equal opportunities and many other facilities for them. We are also considering and protecting, respecting them as a minority. Okay, we call them as sexual minorities. Okay, neither male or female, they are called the transgenders. Okay, so making a person to adopt, to fit into the society. Okay, giving lot of training, many through experiences, giving training and experiences to make a person fit to or to adopt or to cope with the society is known as socialization. So there are many process, many stages are there for socialization, and we know that the primary unit of society is family. Okay, and mother is the first teacher. Mother and father are the first teachers of the society, of a person. Okay, and from there he learns the basic principles of behaving to the elders and the family members. Okay, and gradually when he grows up, his duties and responsibilities also increasing. Okay, in childhood he is a small baby, and later he will grow up, he will be getting admission in school. Now he is a son as well as a student. Later he will pass out 10th standard, he will go to PUC or colleges. Okay, and later he will get married. Before that he will get many friends. Okay, many friends, many teachers. Okay, later he will be getting married, and he will be getting wife or husband, he or she. Okay, she will be getting husband and he will be getting wife, and later he will become a father or a mother. If he is, then he will become a father. If it is she will become a mother. So then also the responsibility and duties are increasing. Okay, and later what will happen? The same person will become, later he will become a father of many children, mother of many children. Okay, he or she want to look after her own or his own problems as well as his family problems. Okay, and later he will become a grandfather or grandmother. Okay, so many rules and duties are there. At the same time, he or she may be working in any office, maybe in school, colleges, hospitals, many other social institutions, banks. Okay, maybe working in politics. Okay, many roles and roles are there to be played by a human being. Okay, according to his wish. Okay, so now today I would like to take the functions of socialization. What are the roles or functions doing by socialization? What are the main aim or objective of socialization? The first one is socialization converts a human being to a social being. Okay, like all other living beings, we are also a living being. Okay, many animals we can see, many animals, birds, plants and trees, they are all living beings. Okay, and what is special for human being? Human being has wisdom. Human being only know what is right and wrong. Remaining animals also have brain. Okay, they have intelligence, but our human beings intelligence is highly developed, and we are the only being in this world which is creative. Okay, we are innovative, we have innovative ideas, we are only using technologies. Okay, electricity, many technologies we are using, we the human beings. Okay, so that is the distinct factor or salient features of human being compared to other living beings. We have superior intelligence compared to other living beings, compared to monkeys or many other living beings. Our intelligence is superior than everything. Okay, and we can even control an elephant. You might have seen Mahout, those who are controlling the elephants. They are very thin, but the elephant is very big and powerful. How a human being can control and tame an elephant? Because of his intelligence. Okay, and the second one is sorry, through socialization we will be getting lot of ideas of role modeling, adopting others characters. Okay, and thus we can improve our life by sharing ideas. Sharing has two sides. Okay, if I have sadness, if I share with my friends and parents or brothers or sisters, my depression will decrease half. Okay, at the same time, if I have any happiness or I have any happy good news, if I am sharing with my friends and others, my happiness will increase. That is the secret of sharing. So sharing also is an important component of socialization. Okay, and it increases social relationships. Socialization increase socialization when we go to school, colleges, and when we go to the clubs and political parties or many areas, religions, many things. We will get lot of friend circles, and it will improve our social relationship. Okay, and it improves our personality, and moreover it improves the it upholds the tradition of a family. Okay, that person belongs to. Okay, these are the things of socialization. Once again I shall repeat you. Socialization is the process of learning social behavior. The process of learning social behavior is known as socialization. Okay, so you know, human being is also known as a social animal. It was first told by Aristotle. Aristotle was a great eminent philosopher and thinker, political thinker and social thinker, who was born in Greece long years ago in the BC, before the arrival of Christ. Okay, in BC period Aristotle came and he introduced that human being is a social animal. Okay, and the different agencies of socializations are family, peer groups, religion, school, mass media, neighborhood. Okay, many other areas are also there for socialization. We will be discussing these things in coming episodes. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.